Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Sprunki. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Sprunki from Sprunki Incredibox, let's begin by drawing the head. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace a nice circle here. So I'm just going to trace this circle right on my paper. So we're just going to trace this right around here for a nice circle. And if you don't have something to trace, that's okay. You can just use whatever you have. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the headphones. So I'm just going to make a line that's going to go over, down, and back in. Same thing here. Let's go over, down, and then back in. Next, let's draw a half circle here, and then let's make a half circle right here. Then we're going to make a sad face. It's just going to come up and down here. And then one more that's just going to come up and down here. Now let's make the eyes. They're nice and big. So let's go ahead and make a nice big circle right here for one of the eyes. Then we're going to leave some space and we're going to put another nice big circle pretty close to that other one. Let's make a line across. And then a line across. Then we're going to make a nice big smiley face shape in here, and another nice big smiley face shape right here. Let's make a curve and a curve here for the eyebrows. Now for the hair, we're going to go down and up, down, and then up. Then for the mouth, let's just draw a little smile. Now for the body, let's just draw a line that's going to come down at an angle, and another one that's just going to come down at an angle. Then we just want to connect it across. Now our next step is to draw the antennas. So let's begin by drawing a line here and a line here. Then let's make a line here and a line over here. Right here, let's go ahead and make a circle on top. And right here, let's go ahead and make a circle on top. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sprunki from Sprunki Incredibox. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.